Most homeowners with a mortgage are required to have some sort of homeowner's insurance.
But what happens when you pay off your home? Many are questioning whether it's worth the risk to save money by not buying insurance. 8 on Your Side consumer investigator Call Behnken joins us now.
Jim Palla, often this is a question asked by senior citizens on a fixed income. Remember, if a hurricane is on the way, it's too late then to buy insurance, so now is the time to make sure you have the right coverage in place.
Hurricane Milton ripped off Mike Parrott's Bradenton roof.
It was the biggest sunroof you ever wanted to see. It all had peeled back.
The home was officially condemned, and he and his wife lived in his backyard studio while they pieced back the house. Complicating matters, they had no homeowner's insurance.
We had just paid everything off about 2 months prior to this. So I did not have insurance on this.
That's a comment I hear often. Most homeowners have insurance when they have a mortgage because the lender requires it. But what about when you pay off your home like Parrott did? Not renewing is tempting once you pay off your loan. And with the rising cost of insurance, a growing number of homeowners are choosing to take the gamble, and many have lost. Insurify, an online insurance comparison marketplace, estimates about 20% of Floridians have no homeowners insurance at all. Even fewer have insurance to protect against rising floodwaters, which is not covered in a typical homeowner's policy. FEMA reports about 80% of Florida homeowners don't have flood insurance. Now is a good time to review your policies to make sure you have the right coverage. A traditional homeowner's insurance policy will cover wind damage and water damage caused by wind damage. But if your damage is caused by floodwater, you may not have any coverage at all unless you purchase a separate flood policy that covers rising water.
Many Floridians only purchase flood insurance if their home is located in a flood zone. But as we saw after 2 hurricanes in 2024, many neighborhoods flooded even though they historically have not. So the bottom line, agents recommend if you live in Florida, you should have flood insurance.
I do.
Yeah, I do too.
And I don't live in a flood zone just because I work with you. And I know I've learned a lot of things. I've been paying attention. You have covered the aftermath of a lot of storms.
Yes.
What are the things that surprise homeowners repeatedly?
And there's always people moving here, so we need to make sure people know. Most of us pay for insurance and hope you never have to use it, but it's good to know how it will work if you need it. Homeowners are often really surprised when we go out and talk to them after the storms and they find out about their deductibles. Deductibles are different amounts depending on whether or not you're using traditional policy or a specific hurricane coverage policy, so you need to check your policy to know what to expect depending on what type of claim you have. If it's a regular, you have water in your house versus a hurricane brought it.
And a good rule of thumb is water from the sky versus water from the ground.
Anything that rises has to have flood insurance.
Okay. Thank you very much, Shannon. If you have a